And second video here, guys, just going to do this one question. And so we have 2x squared minus 8x plus 3. So no parentheses, definitely not in vertex form. This is standard form. We have the ax squared plus bx plus c. So again, if you want to write it, you can say, all right, well, the a value is right there. It's 2. It's the first leading coefficient, right? The b value is negative 8. That's in front of the next x. And then the c value is 3. And so, again, I'm going to take the low-hanging fruit. I'm just going to find the opens. It definitely opens up again because A is positive. The axis of symmetry, the vertex, I don't know yet. It's in standard form. I got to figure that out. I know because it opens up, I have a minimum. I don't know what the value is yet, but I do know it's a minimum. And the y-intercept, I do know that one. Again, if I plugged in 0 for x, it would only leave me with that 3. So I would get 0, 3 for the y-intercept. So again, the new stuff for today is this whole negative b over 2a thing. So we just did it in the last video. We're going to do it again. I need to find the vertex. So it's going to be x equals negative b over 2a. And again, my b value is negative again. So it's negative 8 and 2 times 2 on the bottom. Because that's the a value is 2, b or 2a. So negative 8 is actually positive 8, and then 2 times 2 is 4. So I actually get 2 again, same as the last video, but that's just coincidence. So my vertex is 2 comma something, and I can figure out what that something is if I actually plug in that number 2. So I'm going to do that right below, and I'm going to say, all right, I'm going to plug in 2 into the equation. So instead of 2x squared, I'm going to use 2 squared minus 8 times, again, plugging in 2 for x, and then plus 3. So my left side is 2 squared is 4, and then 4 times this 2 would going to give me 8. And then if I'm looking at 8 times 2, that's 16, and then plus 3. And so 8 minus 16 is negative 8 plus 3. All right, that is going to be negative 5. So my vertex is right there at 2, negative 5. And so, and this, I'll actually graph as I go on this one since I have it. So 2 to the right, and then down 5, boom, right there, 2, negative 5. I'll go ahead and draw in that axis of symmetry. So like right through there, all helpful. I didn't plot the point for the y-intercept, but I know that it's 0, 3. So I can plot that and then reflect it over. So I have those 3 points, which is great. I have my answer for the axis of symmetry. I just drew it in as a yellow line. But that's going to be x equals 2. Again, just borrowing that from the vertex. The minimum, I can see the minimum is the y value of the vertex, so that is negative 5. Also borrowed that right from the vertex, didn't have to do any math. And again, that's only 3 coordinate points. I'm going to say on the rest of the classwork problems, I'm fine if, do a couple for 5 coordinate points. But after that, I'm actually okay for standard form if you only do 3 coordinate points. So maybe do like the first 2 with 5 points. And then after that, you can do it like I'm doing this one. You've got the 1, 2, 3 points. We're going to call it a day. And we're just going to say, all right, well, we're good. Graph's going to look like this. And we'll be good. Now, I know it says x-intercepts again, and I do have them. But unfortunately for me, they weren't the clean points that I was hoping for. If you hit it exactly, then just say them. But in this one, we don't know it, so it might not even be on your classwork. I'm just going to ignore it. We don't have to do that just yet. We'll get good at that as we keep going. So that's it. Homework is just to finish the rest of those problems that you did or that you didn't do in that packet. And again, do a couple of them with 5 points. But then after that, I'm okay if you do what we just did and just use 3 coordinate points. It'll save you a lot of time. So that's it. Good luck, and we'll see you tomorrow.